Strange noises echo at night, cold air moves through empty rooms, and lights flicker without warning. These signs can make a home feel haunted, but they often indicate real problems that require attention. Last week, a couple told me they were sure their house was haunted. They heard footsteps upstairs after midnight, their hallway lights flickered, and a cold draft swept through the living room every evening. An inspector traced the noises to loose floorboards, the flicker to faulty wiring, and the draft, the gaps in the insulation. Their haunting turned out to be a short list of repair issues. This Halloween, let's find out what might be haunting your home as well. I put together the Haunted House Checklist, a practical guide to real problems that can make any home feel unsettling if you ignore them. If your home feels colder in one room than another, you may have air leaks or poor insulation. You can test for drafts by holding a candle near windows and doors. If the flame flickers, the air is escaping. The U.S. Department of Energy says sealing gaps and improving insulation can lower energy bills by up to 15%. Insulation also keeps moisture from building up inside walls, which helps prevent mold. Creaking floors are often harmless, but constant noise or uneven spots can signal foundation issues. Watch for cracks in walls or floors and doors that do not close properly. These changes can mean the ground underneath your home is shifting. A professional foundation inspection can confirm whether the problem is minor or serious. A musty smell or dark patches on the wall often point to trapped moisture. Mold can irritate your lungs, eyes, and skin. The EPA advises cleaning small areas with detergent and water, but larger areas should be handled by a professional. Roof leaks, poor ventilation, and plumbing problems are common causes. Fixing the moisture source is the only way to stop mold from returning. If lights dim when you turn on an appliance or if outlets feel warm, your wiring might be overloaded. These issues can start electrical fires long before smoke appears. The National Fire Protection Association reports that electric malfunctions cause more than 30,000 home fires in the United States each year. If your breakers trip frequently or bulbs burn out fast, have a licensed electrician inspect your system. Upgraded old wiring or panels can prevent dangerous overheating. Even a slow drip can lead to major water damage. Water softens wood, it weakens the flooring, and encourages termites and mold. The Environmental Protection Agency estimates that household leaks waste about 10,000 gallons of water each year. Look for stains on ceiling, bubbling paint, or a damp smell near sinks and appliances. Fix leaks quickly to avoid costly repairs later. Unusual sounds, cold drafts, or flickering lights rarely mean a haunting. They're messages from your home that something needs care. Fixing these problems early protects your investment and keeps your home safe and comfortable. Before calling your house haunted, call a qualified inspector to uncover the real cause. If you're thinking about selling your home and are worried about any issues that may be haunting your property, reach out to me for a free consultation. I'm here to help. I'm Chris Schmalz with the Chris Schmalz Real Estate Group, where moves are made simple and life is made better.